Yeah, so I filled up the coolant. Well, not coolant, I just filled it with water because we're going to drain it later. So I'm going to give it a quick cold start and then let the car run for a little bit, get the oil up to temp, and maybe rev it a couple times, you know? So ordered all new parts, should be coming soon. We got the hood, the bumpers coming in, the grills, headlight mounts, and we should be good after that. Should be paint after and we're done. Well, now we're done, but a couple more things. And then hopefully we can start driving it around, getting like the little things out of the way. Because we have everything good. We still got to change the little O-rings on the coolant hoses because it's kind of leaking a little bit. But that's why I poured water in, because I don't want to buy more coolant. Then we have to flush that out and then pay again. It's like $25 for a bottle. So yeah.
I mean, it used to leak, but now it's not really leaking at all. I mean, that's old residue, but still. So yeah. I mean, that's a good update so far. We got all types of sensors going off, but I mean, those don't really mean anything. Well, hopefully they don't mean anything. So I'm gonna let the car go up to temperature and then we'll check the oil pressure. Because ooh, look at all that carbon fiber. All that carbon fiber. Ooh, look at all that carbon fiber. So the oil is up to temp. I'm gonna go give it a little revs, you know. Here's a little bit of revs.
I just watched that exhaust clip. Oof. I saw that white smoke. I thought I blew something, but nope. I mean, the car hasn't, it's just letting out all the old fumes from sitting, you know? Hopefully. I don't know, I revved it to like 3,000, so we should be fine. The oil systems check is taking forever, which sucks about German cars. I have to get a oil, what's the thing called? Oil dipstick for this car, yeah. No check engine light, which is good, but you know, all these pressure sensors, but who cares about that? Well, good news, buddies. Oil is all the way up and it's good, so engine should be fine. It should be breathing. Amen. Amen. Okay. In the next video, hopefully we should be getting the front bumper in, installing the front support for the radiator, and then we can just go around, drive a little bit around the neighborhood. And everything should be fine. Thank you for watching. Dab on the haters and like, comment, subscribe. I thought that I warned you.